Hello everyone. So today I'll be explaining in very detail about the decode statement and case statements and what is the difference between this decode and case statement. Let's get started. So first understand what is a decode. So decode is like if we have some if-else condition, we all know that the if-else condition, right? So the decode works in the same way. For example, we let me take the table test underscore colors. So if I run this query, I can see the data with colors and the color ID. So now if I got a requirement like if color name is pink, then I want to update the color name to some text. Else if color name is green, then I want to update the color name to test1 and if, and we can even add else. If anything else, then I want to give a color name as test2. So the decodes works in the same way, like this if else condition. Now let's write the same thing in decode. Using decode, let's fulfill this requirement using decode. So for this decode, we are using color name, right? So consider color name. If color name is pink, in our table it's pink only, it's pink, then I'm making it to test. And if color name is green, then I'm making it to test2. If not, then I'm making it to some, let's say, error. Consider it as an error. Just copy paste this in here in the select clause and let's run this decode. So if I run here, if you see here, let me put the color name and here let me add it as a decode color. So if you see here, the decode color except this test and test2, rest all it is showing error. Why? Because is here else I gave error, and for rest all, if color name is pink, then I am making it to test. So if you see here for pink, it showed me test, and for green it showed me test2, and for others it gave me error. So this is how the decode works. Even we can add the decode statement in where clause, where we can give color name equal to the same decode statement we can pass here. So let's run this. Obviously it won't give me any data. Why? Because there is no color with test. What it does is color name equal to, here what we are saying is if color name is pink, then I am making it to test, right? So we don't have any color with test or test2 or error, so that's why it's not returning any data. So if you want to really see some data, then let's give pink here. So now pink equal to pink and it will give us the color pink. So this is how the decode works. We can add it in the select clause or in the where clause. We can add this based upon our requirement. This is very simple requirement. So based upon our requirement, we can keep on adding the decode statement. Here, this is just a two clause. We just give pink and green, right? Here we can give some n number of expression like comma. I can add some indigo, or I can add multiple colors here, multiple conditions and expressions here. So this is how the decode works. Now let's understand what is a case statement and why we will use case statement, when we will use case and when we will use decode. So let's consider the same example. Can we do the same? Can we fulfill the same requirement if using case statement? Yes, we can do that. Then what is the difference between a case and a decode? If both serves the same purpose, then what's the point of having two keywords, right? So there might be some difference. So let's discuss about what the case statement does and what a decode cannot do. So for example, here in place of color name is pink, right? If not, if I want to be like, if color name like, I want to make it like if color name starts with P, then I want to make the color to test. And if it starts to green, if the color name starts with green, then I want to make it to test one. The decode cannot do this. So it is like the like operator, or in this example, it's the color name, right? So if for suppose if we have some amount column, and if we want to make a statement like if amount is greater than 5,000, then I want to display something, and if amount is less than 5,000, then I want to display something. Then in these scenarios, like when we use a like operator or greater than or less than, when we use these type of operators, then we will go with case statement. So let's take the same example and see how the case statement works. So taking the same example here, let's write the case statement. So case. So for case we'll use when command, when color name, when color name like, when color name like, I would just want to make sure that I will just only give P. Then case when color name is P%, then I want to make the color name as test. Again, when color name like, now I will give it G. When color name is G, then I want to make it to some test 1. And I just want to end this. So let me remove this condition and place this case statement in my select clause. So now if I run here, run this statement, the same thing. If you see here, it starts with P, right? Purple and pink starts with P. So it got replaced to test, and green and gray starts with G. So it replaced to test 1. So this is the major difference between a decode statement and a case statement, and how these two will work. Hope you understand. If it is helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want any kind of videos, or if you are looking after something, please comment in the comment section like you need a video on this topic, so that it will be I'll help you on that. Thank you.